Alright, here she is. We got, starting off up here at the top, got some ODI bar ends. They're pretty good, very easy to mess up. I've only been running these for about a week. We got some Deco grips. They're decent. I mean, they feel really weird in your hand at first because of the lettering, but they're overall pretty soft. I've been running these for about 2 days now, and so far they haven't even started wearing at all. We got the original Fit Benny bars off of my Benny frame. Fit high top stem was originally green, but I sanded it and painted some of it purple with some glitter. And then we come down here, I got Fit Shiv 2 forks, stock Revenge Industries wheel off the Benny 3, 2.35 Fit FAF tires, and then I have the 2014 VH1 in translucent blue, the Fit Barstool pivotal seat with a stolen Thermalite seat post, Shadow Serpent sprocket, Fit, I'm not sure the name of the cranks, they're stock Fit cranks, but I think they're called indents. I'm not sure, let me know. Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, which I swapped the black caps into. I recommend these pedals highly. They are awesome. I like that they come with the interchangeable end caps. And I've been running these for about 1.5 years. And I mean, I've still got decent life left on them. I have the KMC Z410 chain in stainless, and it's a really good chain. I haven't snapped it yet, and I normally do grind a lot, so we'll give it a little bit and see how that goes, because I'm going to be putting my pegs back on. We have a Fit Benny free coaster off of the 2016 Benny 3 with another Fit FAF. Well, that is my bike. Let me know in the comments below whether or not you like it, what you guys recommend I should change. And like, comment, and subscribe. As always, stay classy.